Peace and blessings, family. This is Master B of the Trading Lounge here with the market recap on January 18, 2023. As you can see from the chart, price action during the time frame that I trade from 9:30 to 12 o'clock put an enormous move through several quarter points. She broke my main quarter point that I was looking for this morning and went to the next 2 quarter points down. When you combine all of the stuff that we have in our toolbox in terms of our moving averages, the quarter points, the midways, it's just very powerful strategy, very powerful plan, daily plan to follow. We had a breaking of the code, the 30, the 10, 30, 50, and the 200. Then we had momentum going down. I mean, guys, there is no way that you can not see this, that this was a selling day. Okay? Yeah. So you get your daily goal. You know, once that daily goal is reached, you could have rolled this trade down until there was an actual close above the 10 moving average, which would have gotten you the majority of this move. So this was an outstanding move today for Wednesday. And that's the market recap for the ES. It also did the same thing on crude oil. If you watch crude oil, I caught a trade on crude oil. She did the same thing during my time span. She did the exact same thing. I had her in a trend channel this morning. She broke the trend channel, was in code, came back, pulled back to the code, and we had full momentum coming down. I love these bars that come back against the trend. I know that that is a continuation move because we had all momentum going down. So just wait for that bar to close. It closed underneath the our setup to take this short, and that was a crude oil trade this morning. This is Master B here with a market recap of what happened on the ES and the crude oil. Happy Wednesday. Peace and blessings, family. This is Master B out.